some more oomph. Oh, what the? So, welcome back. Oh, here we go. What's a good line? Oh. Woo! That a little second gear action right there, boys. Whoa, whoa! Ah! What's the deal? Spitting out, boy. I get quite a few comments, especially on Instagram. Follow me at Nick Dog, at Nick Dog 154. A lot of people ask, what do I run on my bike? You know, I always ask if I have a flywheel weight. I do not have a flywheel weight, nor do I want one. I don't know, I never tried it. Maybe it's the best thing you can do, but just never wanted one. I run 52 rear sprocket, 14 in front, stock front, and gnarly FMF exhaust, and Electron, dude, and I think that does pretty damn good for torque. If you guys want me to do a vid, walk around like a, what do they call it? Walk around my bike or whatever. Basically name everything and everything I have and all that. Comment in the bottom. Comment in the comment section. Let me know if you want me to do that. I can do that now, you know. Do it in my garage. Might be a little packed because I still got boxes everywhere in the garage. You know, we get a little by getting stuff done little by little. But yeah, let me know in the comment section. We'll be back real quick. Alright, we're back in the move. Trying to get signal. On my Telefono. Oh shoot, can we go this way? Looks like you can, but I don't know, that's hairy. Probably nothing, but we'll go down over here. Trying to get signal, this way I could see if my friend's coming. Supposed to have a buddy coming out. I guess I could get out to the ridge and see if I can see if he's parked there, but I see that hill over there and that looks pretty gnarly. Let's go hit this hill, lead us up to that ridge. Yeah, it would have came out right here. Oh, that looks sweet, dude. I should have hit it. Alright. Going first. Second. Ah, the wrong line. lot steeper than I thought. We're we'll save this for the. Yeah, I could have just came up that and just railed it. I've hit worse there, but you know, while off the bike, I ain't trying to loop it or. I already broke my subframe bolt. I'm trying to ride, so maybe excuses or whatever. I just don't feel like trying it. See, look, people hit that. Squid. Oh well, on to the next thing. Oh, like a double downhill right here. If you can see them from here. I ain't there. I think I'm like straight onto that bush and tree. Yeah, that's where I'm at. I can't see with a GoPro, but no, he ain't there. Alright guys, gonna do it for this vid. Smash that like button, subscribe, share this video. We out here ripping and the rain is coming in, look at that. Yee yee! Peace.